Upon landing on the quiz creation page, you'll first notice an Add Question button. Clicking on this will initiate the quiz creation process, presenting you with a default single-answer quiz layout. By default, the system has preset the question type to single answer, along with an automatic allocation of 1 point for each question. The system also establishes a placeholder for the question, and 4 possible answers. The placeholder question, labeled Enter Your Question Here 0, signifies that it's editable upon clicking. The same editability applies to the answer choices. Furthermore, the system has automatically assigned the correct answer to option 1. You'll need to adjust this based on the correct answer to your question. In addition to these features, there is a Question/Options Editor option. Activating this function allows you to enhance your quiz by incorporating images into your questions or answer choices. Next, the Score Individual option feature allows you to assign varied point values to different options, offering flexibility in grading. There's also an Answer Information button. Any details added through this button will be visible exclusively to the teacher. This information won't be accessible to the student, even post-quiz completion. For each answer option, you'll notice clone/add/delete icons. These tools empower you to add multiple options, remove unnecessary ones, or duplicate existing options. Lastly, each option is accompanied by a checkbox labeled Show Detailed Description. Checking this box and including any text, image, or media within it, will result in the content being displayed on the preview page.